Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope your new year has started off amazing. I know I said I was going to be more consistent last month, but I ended up getting a really bad cold over the holidays. It was awful. I'm finally healed though, so we're officially back to the scheduled program. Today, I'm trying out some new products from the Doux, a new Block Party collection, and I'm excited to see how it performs. The Block Party collection is a salon grade styling line made for textured hair, especially in humid weather. It helps fight frizz, reduce shrinkage, and keep styles lasting longer. Every product delivers strong hold, high shine, and quick dry time for easy everyday styling with professional results. I picked up the DJ Quick Dry Spray and the Block Party Anti-Humidity Defining Gel. As always, I'm starting on freshly washed detangled hair. I made sure my hair was soaking wet and completely tangle free before applying anything. I went in with the defining gel first. Now, if you want to speed up the drying time, it's recommended to apply the quick dry spray before your styler. I'm using it as a finisher today, so I'll apply it at the end. The gel has a really nice scent. It low-key reminds me of something I've used before, and it also has a slightly glittery appearance. At first glance, I wasn't sure if it was meant for a wash and go because it's super thick and paste-like. Normally, this is the type of gel I use for slick backs, twist outs, or braid outs, but it's actually meant for all of those styles, including wash and goes. This is a firm hold styling gel that delivers a long-lasting curl definition, frizz control, and shine. It's designed to hold up against heat and humidity without flakes or buildup, so your style stays locked in. I took a small amount and raked it through with my fingers. I will say it doesn't have much slip, so make sure your hair is very wet or even soaked before applying so it glides through your hair. Following the directions, I applied a generous amount from root to ends on small sections. I smoothed the product in with my hands, then went through with my tangle teaser to make sure everything was evenly distributed. I didn't scrunch my hair because I wanted to maintain as much length as possible. I really liked how my hair felt. It wasn't dry and it didn't feel like I needed to layer anything else on top. On its own, it felt pretty hydrating. I also loved the definition and the length I got right after I applied it. I will say this gel is super sticky, which honestly let me know it has a strong hold. Even though the quick dry spray is supposed to help speed up drying time, I noticed that while I was working section by section, the parts I had already finished were drying really fast and they had little to no frizz. I really like that, and I can only imagine how much faster it would have dried if I had used the spray first. To finish up, I went ahead and repeated the same steps on the rest of my hair before moving on to the next part of the routine. Now that my hair is styled, I'm going in with the DJ Quick Dry Spray to finish everything off. This spray not only speeds up drying time, but it also doubles as a finishing mist to help seal the style and protect against humidity. It controls frizz and locks everything in for smooth polished results without the long wait. This spray is really refreshing. I sprayed it all over my hair, focusing especially on the areas where I tend to get the most frizz, which for me is my crown and my ends. I have to say I really enjoyed the scent of both of these products. They're very light. There is a perfume-like fragrance, but it isn't heavy and it doesn't linger, which I appreciate. After finishing with the spray, I diffused my hair off camera and then I sat under the dryer to fully dry my roots. That whole process was actually really quick compared to how long it usually takes me. This was super fast, but I was not expecting the results I got. When I tell you I had a firm hold, it was strong. Like, seriously strong. It was getting late and I did not want to sleep with my hair in the cast. I never recommend doing that, but when I say I couldn't break it, it would not break. The end softened up a little, but the rest of my hair, hard as a rock. I was convinced that once I woke up, it would be easier to break, and I was completely wrong. It was still stronger than ever. Now, even though my hair was hard, it still felt hydrated and it was movable. The cast never fully broke, and although I hated that part, I really liked the product itself. As the days went by, my hair just kept looking better and better. I think how I feel about this gel is how everybody felt about the banana gel, but this one hits more for me. Let me know what you guys think. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell so you're notified every time I post. And as always, thank you for watching.